Hi guys, it's Ryan here from smartsportstrader.com, and in today's video I want to talk about how to make money from casino offers. I'll show you the strategies that I've been using and how I made over £20,000 in profit in the last few years. So first off, I just wanted to talk about advantage play and advantage gambling. So it's pretty well known that all casino games, well, at least the majority of casino games, are there to make the house money. They're there to make the casino money. They're not really interested in having long-term winning players. The only exception to this would be poker, where casinos take a rake rather than actively play against their customers. However, there are a few ways of gaining an advantage over the casino, and that's really what I want to talk about today. And probably the most commonly known method of this is card counting and blackjack. There was a film called 21, which you might have seen, which was based on a group of MIT students that formed a card counting team in America and took on the casinos. But in this video, my focus will be on using cashback and bonuses as a way to gain advantage over the casino sites. But all advantage play and advantage gambling is based on gaining a mathematical advantage over the casino and flipping the odds to your advantage so that you will make money in the long run and the casino will lose money. So just to get a basic understanding of advantage play, I'm going to use the coin flip example. Let's say you've got a friend that believes for some reason that tails is luckier than heads, and they're willing to give you £11 every time it lands on heads, and you only give them £10 every time it lands on tails. So you're getting odds of 2.1 when the real probability is 50%, so the odds should be 2.0. And we know in this situation that if you were to do that long enough, you were to flip the coin, let's say 300-400 times, then it's very likely that you're going to come out on top and you're going to win from this scenario. And this is exactly the same principle that we use when we take on cashback and bonus offers from the casinos. We know that in the short term we might lose, but in the long run we're going to make money because we've got the mathematical advantage. Okay, so I just thought I'd talk you through a real offer now. So I got this a few days ago in my email from the aptly named casino.com. That domain must have cost a bomb, to be honest. And it says, "Are you ready for some serious fun? Have a blast on your favourite games and we'll give you a 10% cashback up to £20. So for this I could stake up to £200 in a day and they give me £20 back, and it's a good offer because it doesn't say that I have to make 5 or more bets, and it's just straight cash back. There's no wagering requirement. So I'll just talk you through the process now of how I use these type of offers to make money long term. So let's look at a real example. We've got 20% cash back on losses up to £200, so that means we will get back £20 if we lose £200. So for an offer like this, I always look to play optimal blackjack strategy, as the return to player is 99.5%. So what that means is that you lose a lot less money playing blackjack than you would any other game. So a 99.5% return to player rate means that if you were to stake £100, you would lose about 50p on average per hand. So in this example, if I win, a profit of 200 is made, and I withdraw, I don't get any cash back. And if I lose, a loss of £180 is made, as I lose the 200 and then I receive £20 cash back the next day. So every time we do this offer, we have a long-term EV of around £9.75. So I just thought I'd quickly go through how to find casino offers and how to find some offers that might be plus EV. So there's two ways of doing this. The first one is manually doing it. So you can go on a site such as askgamblers.com or any kind of casino review site. You want to find one that's quite reputable, and you can just go through and look at what they're offering. So you might want to start at the top, whichever's the best one. So here you've got 100% up to £100 plus 300 free spins. And I've used Genesis Casino, and they are quite a good casino for handing out decent offers. And then you've got casino.com here, which is the one that I just showed you. It's 100% welcome bonus, also 10% cashback, so that's going to be plus EV. So what you want to do really is you'll have to go through all the terms and conditions, which, like I say, there's quite a bit of legwork if you do this manually, but it can be done. And especially if you're not in the UK, you probably won't have access to a service which kind of breaks everything down for you. So you'll have to look through the terms and conditions. You'll have to look through how much you have to wager, and then work out the top return to player slot or game that you can play. Or the way that I do it, which is a lot quicker, is to use a service called Profit Maximizer. And Profit Maximizer basically goes through all the casinos, and it will show you how to exploit them in the best way possible. So I have to blank some of these out because I have to pay for this subscription, and it wouldn't be fair for me really to be giving it out. But just for example, I'll click on one and I'll just show you that it tells you here which game to play with the RTP, the estimated value, and the chance of busting. So this is the service that I use. I do things manually every now and again if I see a new casino comes out and Profit Maximizer doesn't cover them, but Profit Maximizer just saves you hours of work. And I'll show you my results now from doing casino offers over the long term so that you can see that it does actually work. Okay, so I just wanted to show you my profit and loss from doing casino offers in the last few years, and also highlight the importance of volume. As like we said at the start with the coin flip example, that in the short run you might lose some money, but in the long run, if you keep doing it, you keep flipping that coin and you've got that advantage, you're going to make money. So you can see I've done a total of 4,285 offers, and you can actually see at the start that I did lose for the first 70 offers, but after doing 4,285 offers, I've made just over £20,000 now. So it does work. You've just got to stick with it. You've just got to grind out the offers, and there's still quite good money to be made from doing casino offers. Okay, so just to finish off, I'll go through a few important factors that you need to consider when doing casino offers. And number one is that you've got to accept that you will have losing runs doing this. There's just kind of no way around that. You will lose, you'll have losing periods, and you've just got to accept that that's part and parcel of it. But as I showed before with my results, if you just grind it out and keep going, you will make money because you've got a mathematical advantage in the long run, and you're almost beating the casinos at their own game there. You should set yourself a bankroll. So let's say you've got £1,000, you just put that aside and use that for casino offers. And the third thing to consider is you need to stake according to your bankroll. So let's say you do have only £1,000, you wouldn't be going in and doing like the £200, £300 offers, because that would be too much. You'd probably only start small and do maybe £10, £20 offers. You might do a £50 offer and just work your way up. That's the way that I've done it. I started with a few £100s, and then I've used casino offers and match betting to really build that bankroll to a lot more, to the point now where I can take on some of the higher risk offers. So hopefully you found this video interesting. You might have learned something from it. And if you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. In the description, I'll add my review to Profit Maximizer, and I'll also show you where you can get templates for playing optimal blackjack strategy. And I'll just put anything that's useful really for advantage play. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Cheers.